We covered the Sony MZ-N10 in another video. This highly coveted player was an anniversary model and still maintains a premium look and feel. Unfortunately, Sony's choice of using an internal lithium-ion battery means most of the batteries are dead. Here, we'll replace the old internal battery with this new one that has even greater capacity. It's slim, like the stock battery, and this type has the flex cable built in, no soldering required. This takes just one screw and less than 5 minutes of your time. Start by turning off the internal battery, and we'll undo one screw by the knob. Once that's off, open the lid and we'll slide the knob panel off. That bit of blue you see is the internal battery, and it's clipped in place. We'll want to move that brown clip down. It's easy to flip the brown clip down to loosen the flex cable. After it's unclipped, just slide the battery out. The original Sony battery is rated at 340 mAh, while the new one is rated at 570 mAh, so you should get longer playtimes. Let's slide the new battery in gently, since the top part seems a bit bulkier. This black portion is a bit thicker, so it needs a squeeze as you lower the battery in and push the flex cable into the clip. I want to point out that the fit is good, but not great. You can see the flex cable at a bit of an angle, but it still clips in. If they move the cable over a millimeter or so, it would fit better. Well, let's close it up and see if it works. Just line up the knob's plate and we can test. Remember to flip the battery switch. And there's the battery indicator. Looks like it's working. Let's test with a disc. And there you have it. 5 minutes with a small screwdriver and you can have a new battery in your Sony MZ-N10. Thanks for watching.